What's one? I could say I could do the front one. I'll do the front one. Yeah, yeah.
As a reminder for everyone watching the splash pad, riders must be at least 36 inches tall to enter this attraction. Riders between 36 and 44 inches must be accompanied by another rider, 44 inches or taller. There are 4 people per coach. So get your groups ready for pillaging before you get to the front of the line.
All right, thank you. All right. Oh. All righty. Wet them all. It's like a pirate type ride, water ride. Let's hope my GoPro doesn't get wet from this. Cross your fingers. Woo! Wet it down. She tried to wet me. Balls. It's like reminds me of a water gun. I can wet anybody. Yeah, battle time. Look at a shark. Oh boy. San Diego Legoland, this is where I'm at. Southern California. Got you, get me back. Oh, like a shark. I guess this water's automatic. Can't control it. Woo! Watch out, watch out! Woo! Get everybody, I'ma splash everybody. Go wet them. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Well, well, well. You got lucky. I missed. Woo! Oh, gridlock. Stuck in traffic. Rush hour. California traffic. That's down in the water. That's the shade. Right on. Alrighty.
And lift up on that lap bar.
Sure. Alrighty. See ya.
Have a good day.
You too.
What's the other one called?
Splash Battle. I forgot the name from the beginning. Splash Battle.